Welcome to my kitchen. Do you have a salad spinner? I find it to be an essential tool. I'm going to show you how to use it and how you can still clean vegetables without it. My name is Monica Levin and I am a registered holistic nutritionist and inner guidance communication coach. Years ago, when I would buy lettuces, they would be full of earth. Nowadays, they come triple washed and I don't need my salad spinner as much. But when I need parsley, or cilantro, then I do need some way to wash and spin or dry my herbs. Salad spinners come in a variety of forms. They usually have a bowl with an inserted an insertion piece, and then the top that will turn the inner basket. In this case, it's with a drawstring. Sometimes there's a pump. Regardless, it's intended to turn the basket on the inside, and then with centripetal force, all of the water goes to the edge and falls to the bottom. And we're going to do that now. And then I'm going to show you the way to do it if you don't have a salad spinner. So you just take your herbs and pinch off the ends, because you want just the ends. You don't need the stalks. You just want the ends, and you put them in here. I'll be right back when I'm done. The parsley is now in the basket, and what I'm going to do is put a whole bunch of water in, smush it around, and then lift the basket out. And then I'll be able to see if there's any residual dirt down here. And if there is, I dump it, rinse it, and then clean it again. So let's do that now. Except you can't see the water running. It's right here. The water's running. When my sister cleans her lettuce, maybe you can't hear me. When my sister cleans her lettuce, and after she spins it, she leaves it in the salad spinner in the fridge. But I don't do that because I find I use my salad spinner a lot more often and I need it. I can't leave it in the fridge. Okay, so I just mix it all up to try and shake loose any dirt. I lift the basket out. Let's see. There's just a little bit of dirt. You can't see it from there. So I'm going to do it one more time and I'll be right back. This is the second rinse, and I'm confident it will be dirt-free. So I feel the bottom, and no, there's no dirt down there. So I'm going to dump it out, dump out the water into the sink, not on the floor. And now you use the power of the salad spinner to create centripetal force, and the water will be extracted and go to the edge and then flow down to the bottom. There. And now you have relatively dry parsley, which you can use immediately or wrap it in a, I'm going to get one, hold on. Or you wrap it in a 100% cotton cloth and put it in a plastic bag and keep it in the fridge, and it'll stay like that for a number of days in case you want to use it for something else. But as you can see, by spinning it, there's all this water left at the bottom, and that's what would have been in the parsley otherwise. So now I'm going to wet this again because I'm going to show you a different way to dry your parsley. Okay. For this other method, I'm going to take you outside. But step one, you get a nice clean dishcloth, preferably cotton. Cotton is always the best. And you put your parsley inside of it. There we go. So now what we do is we fold this over to hold it in, and we're gonna fold it in half. And now I'm gonna take you outside and show you how we get the water off it. See you in a minute. It is a beautiful fall Michigan day, and it's a little chilly out here, but no worries. What you do is you put your parsley in here, and the bottom of the cloth is already wet. And if you don't have a salad spinner, you're just going to use the force of your arm to shake out the water. Do you hear it landing? That's why we don't do this part inside. There we go. And no more water comes out, and it's ready. It's nice and dry. I'll take you back inside. Now we're back inside, and when I open up my dishcloth, I have dry parsley. So this is a great way to clean your parsley, cilantro, basil, whatever herbs you need to clean. As well as lettuce. If you happen to buy a head of lettuce at the farmer's market and has soil in it, it's a great way to clean it. Whether you use the cloth or a salad spinner. Please let me know in the comments what you do to clean your vegetables. See you soon.